Productivity settings is where you'll be able to define whether or not a particular program or website should count as a productive activity, a neutral activity, or an unproductive activity. These categorizations will be factored into the individual monitored employee's productivity score. Like other settings, productivity is group specific, which means you can have unique definitions for different departments or groups within your organization. A good example of this is how social media sites like Facebook or Instagram might be considered productive for your marketing team, but not productive for your finance team. To access the productivity settings, click on Settings in the main menu at the top and click on Productivity Settings. At the top, you can select the group that you'd like to define the productivity settings for. You can also clone group settings from another group that already have their productivity settings defined. The list of programs and websites will automatically update based on user activity from monitored devices. It's important to note that you need to enable recording for websites and programs in your recording and blocking settings in order to populate this list. At the top, you can choose to filter the data type to view websites only or programs and applications only. You can also filter everything by the rating. By default, new programs and websites that are picked up by Vision will be labeled as neutral. If you want to change the productivity rating for a specific website or application, all you have to do is select the appropriate radio button, and that will redefine the productivity rating for that website or application. It's a good idea to visit productivity settings regularly, as new websites and applications can appear on this list and should be tagged appropriately. An easy way to filter for newly added websites or applications is to filter the rating by neutral, because by default, all new websites and applications will be tagged as neutral.